Racing Team.
What's up everyone? Do you guys remember when we built this absolute unit? Well, now we're planning to use it in a new video. We can't tell you guys just yet what the video will be, but we think you're gonna like it very much. We did have some big problems with the bike though, so Steinar, how do you suggest we're gonna fix it?
Yes, the biggest problem was that the chain was coming loose and jumping off.
Kanskje ta trønden litt ned. Ja.
Because we had too much power for just one chain. So now we are going to weld on this second gear on top of this one under there. Then we get two chains, which will be a lot better, and we can use all our pedaling force without the chain coming off. We had also some problems with the rear pedals. They are made of plastic and are very small and slippery. So we need to get this one on. The holes on the cranks don't fit these pedals, but we're just gonna weld it on because it was a horrible disaster to ride on those ones. So it would be a lot better for the rear rider on these pedals. And now it's only our front engine that's working. Because this rider called Mini Holland got a little too excited when revving the rear engine. So it broke, and now we need to do a complete engine rebuild on it.
Alright, shall we go to work?
Yes, let's get it on. First I'm going to disassemble the cranks. I need to remove the pedals first to get the cranks off the frame. Using this 15mm.
And these pedals can probably go straight to the garbage.
Yeah. First pedal I have ever tried. And now we can loosen the cranks using the boss Arild's favorite tool, a Biltema wrench made of drop forged steel. It's very good for losing nuts without breaking them. Maybe take the chain off first, make it a bit easier.
And I think Malman counted it out to be 1 zillion threads on this.
Oh, the bearing is in very good condition. Now falling apart. That may be a bigger problem. This one looks good. And I hope we can just put the ball back in again. Should be working. Now we're going to take off the gear and replace it with this one. So give this a double lock. And using the right tool makes half the job. So instead of using the special tool for this one, we're just using this one from Biltema. Works just fine. Trying to get it a little tight so it don't fall off. I think that is good. Then we need to cut out in this new gear to make it fit, and after that Martin is going to do some welding. So we need to find the angle grinder.
Da er interessert. Jeg finner interessert.
Okay, now we have the angle grinder. We have our trusty gear. Gonna put it in the stick. There we have it.
Looks good.
Let's check. Alright, then we're gonna measure the distance that we need to have between the gears.
It looks like we'll need 16 millimeters.
Then we'll find something that we can fit in between. Good shit, then we'll need 3 more. Okay. Then we have all the pieces. Now we'll just pile off this. Then we'll find our trusty angle grinder. We'll do some welding. Turn on the machine. And then we'll give it a few good points here and there. This one, it's only 2. You want
You
one
can smee it from that side too.
on the bottom?
Yes.
Yep. Yep. Okay, and then we'll put on the
upper one.
upper gear.
See if it fits.
We need to take a look at the setup.
Can weld from this side.
Now I think it should be very good.
Then we are going to weld on this pedal. Completely straight, but it's good. Then we are going to mount it on the bike again.
How many threads are on this thing, Steinar?
It's a Celeon with threads.
Celeon, yeah.
And then we need Arild's super tool. Where is Arild's super tool?
Good question.
Very good. Then we just need to weld on the last pedal, and after that it's just chains.
What do you think, Steinar? Will it be better now?
Yes, I think it looks very good, exactly like we planned. So,
And then I think we'll have to do the rest later. Don't you think?
yes, the stores are closed and we need some extra chains and some engine parts.
So we'll cut to that right now. Yeah, so I'm currently editing this video and I'm sorry to have to tell you, but we just didn't have enough time to test out the new modifications. But don't worry, we will make a video on it very soon. This time, hopefully with some much better riding. Thanks for watching and see you guys next Sunday.